The purpose of the Global Renewable Energy Explorer is to allow users to explore current and future renewable energy production in different countries. This is through interactive data visualization and predictive modeling.
This app is intended for researchers, policymakers, students, and anyone interested in renewable energy trends, allowing them to analyze the energy data for informed decision making and learning for the future.
We used a variety of tools in both the front end and the back end of this app. In the front end, we used JavaScript, CSS, and HTML, as well as GlobeGL and D3JS for 3D globe visualization. In the back end, we used Flask with Python connected to an online Mongo database in order to fetch the queries for the different countries.
Now moving on, we'll be demonstrating our app. As we scroll down to the About section, it talks about our main mission and what this app truly offers to users. And as we scroll down to where we got our data section, it talks about where we got our data. Originally, we got our data from a CSV file in Our World is Data and used it to predict the next 100 years of data using Meta's Prophet and then stored it in an online Mongo database.
Now let's take a look at our interactive model. Clicking on the Start Exploring button brings us to our globe, where we see click on a country to begin. As we move around the globe, we can see that it's fully interactive in 3D, with every country being properly displayed. If we click on a country, it brings up the year slider, along with the predicted renewable energy value for that year. As we drag the slider, the predicted renewable energy value changes, and the country's color changes in accordance with that value. As we go to different countries, change values, and move around, we can see that the predicted renewable energy, the year, and the color is saved for that country. If we want to view richer insights for that country, we can see the global ranking, the growth rate in accordance to the previous year, and the top 5 renewable energy producers for that year. Moreover, we can see how much predicted renewable energy the world actually produced that year.
Another key aspect of our app is that it's friendly for all devices, meaning that it can be easily accessed from anyone, anywhere. This is important because we want users to be able to use this insightful data to advocate the need for renewable energy.
First shown is the code for the data prediction. Next, we have the code for the backend and what actually fetches the data from the database. Next, we have our front-end code, first being our home page, as well as the energy flow animation and the scroll animation we use on the home page. Next, we have the code for the interactive model. This is the HTML for that, and this is the JavaScript for that.